Mastering Multicolor LED Strip Installations.
Welcome, everyone. In today's discussion, we're diving into the world of multicolor LED strips. There's so much versatility with these strips, allowing you to transform any space with a burst of color. But when it comes to installing different color LED strips, there are some specific features and tricks to keep in mind. Let's jump right into it.
What do you need to consider before installation?
Before installing your LED strips, you should first consider the color scheme you want to achieve. This will determine how you should arrange the different colored strips. Also, consider the brightness of each color strip, as some colors may be brighter than others.
How do you install different color LED strips?
The actual installation of the LED strips is not different than the normal process. However, placement and arrangement of different color strips can be crucial for achieving the desired effect. 1. Measure your area correctly. This will help you determine how many LED strips you'll need and the length of each strip. 2. Test all the LED strips before you install them. Make sure that all colors are working properly. 3. Plan your color scheme. This can be a pattern or a solid color block depending on your preference. 4. Install your LED strips. Remember to place them in the correct order according to your plan.
What are the common issues and solutions?
While LED strips are generally easy to install, you might encounter some issues. Here's how to troubleshoot them. 1. LED strip not sticking. If the adhesive on the back of the strip isn't strong enough, consider using additional double-sided tape or mounting clips. 2. Uneven brightness. Different colors might have different brightness levels. This can be corrected by adjusting the power supply or using a controller to balance the light output. 3. Color mismatch. If the color output is not as you expected, make sure that the LED strips are correctly connected to the controller and that the controller settings are correct. That wraps up our guide to installing different color LED strips. By considering the color scheme, ensuring proper placement, and being ready to troubleshoot, you can transform any space into a colorful light show. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we can't wait to see how you bring your space to life with these tips. Happy installing!